Are you the same Jose Escalante who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 1359 for the offense of manufacturing, delivery, of controlled substance penalty group 1, 4,200 grams on May 13, 2024 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 18th day of August 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jose Escalante, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 9th day of September 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jose Escalante, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 26th day of September 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jose Escalante, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true, Your Honor.
State will waive the remaining condition.
Any objections to the waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
And let me see if there's a fine in this. There's no fine listed. So knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, Your Honor. At this time, state would be recommending revocation and sentencing to the adjudicated 6-year underlying sentence.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we're asking that he be continued on probation pending his new number 1 and other conditions that are been imposed by the court. He's on GPS monitoring at this point. We would agree if the court would consider tracking to continue that pending the resolution of the new case. Mr. Escalante's had a really difficult last few months. He just had twins that were born in October. Were in the hospital for a while after that and barely just now getting home. And I think there's 4 other children in the house.
Yes, sir.
So there's a total of 6.
Well, why didn't he think of that before this? Because what I can tell you is according to your plea bargain agreement, the state was opposed to your application for community supervision, and they were opposed to your application for deferred adjudication. And you were given community supervision by me.
Yes, ma'am.
And now you're not following through. And that's a problem.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I don't think you should be continued. Because you're not following through. And this is the possession with intent to deliver, which is a first-degree felony. And none of that gave you pause to behave appropriately. And it's not as though the children that you say were born, okay, you have twins, but you had other children at home already. And that didn't give you pause and didn't make you think, I better do something because I could potentially end up in prison.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you